Help me help
In this tutorial, I will show you how to change MAC address without rooting the phone. Go to Settings. Go to About Phone option. Go to Phone Status. This is my original MAC address. Close the settings. Now open Call app. Now type star hash star hash 3 6 4 6 6 3 3 hash star hash star. You will get a interface of engineer mode. Swipe right, go to connectivity option, select LAN. Turn off the Wi-Fi before selecting. Wait for the initialization to complete. Select NV RAM. Go below. Replace and type the character to 4. Replace and type the character to 6. Now replace value character to your MAC address which you want to add. Type the MAC address without colon. Press right multiple times. Then press read. And the original MAC address will be changed to your desired MAC address. Let's check the MAC address is changed or not. And you can see the MAC address is changed. If you're having the trouble in typing the code, you can install M2K Engineer Mode app which will operate same as typing the code. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel.